You will need 4-ply acrylic yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a 3.5mm crochet hook or smaller, and a pair of scissors. Let's begin with the slip knot. Pull through. So that's how you do a slip knot. And then we're going to be starting off with 12 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we're going to create our second double crochet on the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, that 3 chain serves as the first double crochet, and we're going to create our second double crochet on the 4th chain right here from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th chain from the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, we're going to consider these 3 chains right here as the first double crochet. So insert your hook onto the chain right here, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So we're going to continue this up until to the second to the last chain. Okay, so we're now left with the first chain right here, and this is gonna be the turning point, and we're going to start off with 3 double crochets on the same chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 1, again 2, 3. So that's 3 chains, after which chain 1, and continue creating 3 more double crochet on the same space. So insert your hook. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Again, for the turning point, after doing double crochet on the chains right here, down to the last chain, we're going to create 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and 3 double crochet. After which, you're going to continue with double crochet each chain up until the last chain right here. So yarn over, and it should be 9 chains. Insert your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pop the last double crochet on the last chain space right here to complete the 9 double crochet on this side and to complete 0, 1. So again, yarn over, insert your hook into the last chain space right here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're done with row 1. So this is how it look like. Alright, next we're going to start off with row 2, and the steps in row 2 is the same until your desired width of the cup. So the row 2 will be the repetitive step until your desired row. So let's begin with a chain of 3, 3, and then yarn over, and then turn up your work, and we're going to continue with on the first chain right here. So 1, and if you're pretty much get confused, you may want to put a stitch marker on the third chain right here to make sure you're not going to miss that later on. So I grab a stitch marker and I'm going to put on the third chain. Alright, so but if you're used to it, then you don't have to, but for the sake of the video I wanted to show you so you won't get confused, and continue double crochet until the turning point. So and last chain before the turning point. Alright, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chains and then yarn over. Now we're going to create 2 double crochet in this chain 1 space, 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then 2 double crochet on the chain 1 space right here. So again, yarn over, insert your hook, create 2 double crochet, 1, 2, after which chain 1, and then create another 2 double crochet on this chain 1 space, 1 and 2, and this is what will you do on the turning point up until the succeeding rows or your desired rows, after which continue creating double crochet or double crochet each chain, and it should be 12 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And again, we had our chain right here, the 3 chains right here. So that was actually a double crochet. So don't forget to put the last double crochet on that chain. So insert your hook and double crochet. So that would be 12 chains. Alright, so I'm gonna teach you or guide you until the third row. Again, this will be a repetitive step. Chain 3, yarn over, turn your work, create double crochet each chain up until the turning point. So 2. Again, you may want to put a stitch marker on the third chain right here so you won't forget or you won't skip this chain unless again your cup will be messed up. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 double crochet, before the turning point. And on the turning point, again, we're going to create 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, after which chain 1 and continue with 2 double crochet on the same chain 1 space, 1 and 2. After the turning point, continue with 14 double crochet each chain. So make sure it's 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, down to the last double crochet on row 3. Let's remove our stitch marker and pop the last double crochet into that last chain space. So that's the first double crochet from previous row, and let's pop our last or 14th double crochet into that chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, again yarn over, insert your hook into that last chain space, and then alright, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that completes our row 3. Continue up until row 6 or your desired row for your cup, and I will be back once I'm right at the last row. Down to the last double crochet for row 6, and I'm done with my cup. So this is how it looked like. Before we continue to our second cup, let's secure first our cup. So chain 2, cut your yarn, pull up the loop, and scooch the 2 chains like this to secure our cup. And I'm done with my 2 cups. And now let's proceed to the band. And for the band, it is inspired by Amanda Love, and the link is down in the description box if you want to check out her video. Alright, so let's now proceed.